just sent this mini water dental flosser. It's actually collapsible, so you can take it with you if you're going different places. You don't have this giant thing. So it comes with a little carrying case because it is portable, and it collapses down to just this tiny little thing here. And then it is also rechargeable. So they give you the USB cord that you plug in and get it charged up, and then they give you 5 different tips to go on the top. So you got your 5 little tips right here for your dental flossing. And to use it, all you've got to do is just pull this down, and that locks into place. And now you've got your water container here. And then you fill up your water right here. You open this up and you fill up the water. And then we just simply put this little flosser to where it snaps in place. And then we can turn it on. And then it's got its 5 modes right here. You've got your soft, massage, pulse, strong, and normal. So whenever you do your different modes, you can then change them by pressing this button. Let's go fill it up with water, see how it works. Okay, so whenever you fill this up, we're just gonna open this up here. And when you're doing this, just watch for your splashing water. So we're gonna fill up our flosser and close that up. This right here is your charging port. And this button right here will then release that part. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on so you can see the water going. And then we'll press it again so you can see the different modes. I mean, that's putting out some pretty high water. So then if you're traveling with this and you don't want the water in anymore, you just open up your lid, pour it all out, and then you just simply collapse it all back down. And you're ready to go. It's a nice, handy, mini portable dental flosser.